Hello everyone, welcome to CodeGates. So I'm back with my inheritance series. So in my previous video, we discussed about the single level inheritance with this simple example that in this example, as we have seen that there is a class person and there is one more class teacher, and teacher is going to extend the person class. So here you can see that only on one class is extending only one class. This is a kind of single level inheritance. Now we will discuss about the multi-level inheritance in Java. So let me extend this example only. For example, how will we define the multi-level inheritance? So let me show you. Suppose there is one class A and one more class is B. So there is one class A and class B is extends class A. And now I will create one more class C which is going to extends class B. And I will create one more class D which is going to extends class C. So here you can see that we have one class A. Now A is superclass of B, B is superclass of C, and C is superclass of D. So we can see multiple levels here. So this type of inheritance is called multi-level inheritance in Java. So let's implement this with this example. So I will create one class student. Student will extends teacher class. Okay. So in teacher class, what we have see that display method is inherited from person class. So I'm going to add one more method which is not inherited from the person class, which is the specific method of teacher class. So let me add one method over here, public void class type. Okay. So here I'm going to just print system dot out dot println I am subclass of person class. Okay. So here what I have print that I am subclass of person class. So system dot out dot println. Now in student class, what we will do that we either we can override the display method or we can override the class type method. So I'm going to override the class type method over here. So I will write public void class type, and again in this method I am going to print one message that I am subclass of teacher class. So you've got the point that we do have a person class, and person class is a superclass of teacher class. Okay, and you can see that there are two methods, display and class type. And in person class we can see that there is a learn method, and here you can see that one more class student is there which is going to extend teacher class. So you can see that teacher is the superclass of student and person is superclass of teacher. So student can access the feature of teacher class and teacher can access the feature of person class. So indirectly we can say that student can also access the feature of the person class. Okay. So in person class, in student class, what I did, I have just overridden one method. What is this is called method overriding. So I will let me clear you what is method overriding over here. When we are going to write the exact method with the same method name, same signature, everything will be same, only the content will be different inside this subclass, then this method will be overridden. This method is called overridden method. So here you can see that I have defined class type method inside the teacher class, and in which I have print a message I am subclass of person class. Again I am writing the same method inside the student class, which is the subclass of teacher class. So you can see the same method is written in both the classes. So we will call it overridden method. Means class type method of teacher class is overridden inside the student class with some different content. Only content is different and rest everything is same. This type of inheritance is called multi-level inheritance. So now let me create the object of, let me comment this. Now I will create the object of student class over here. So I will write student SOBJ is the object of student class, new, then student. Now I will show you that how many methods I can call by the student object or SOBJ object. So I will write SOBJ dot. So you can see that I can also call the learn method. Okay, where learn method is the method of the person class. So I have told you earlier that student can access the feature of teacher class and teacher can access the feature of person class. So indirectly student is also able to access the feature of the person class. So here you can see that student, with the help of the SOBJ object, I am able to access the method of the person class. SOBJ dot, now I will access the method of the teacher class because teacher is the immediate superclass of the student class. Which is the immediate superclass of student class? Teacher is the immediate superclass of the teacher class. So you can see that student is subclass of teacher class and teacher is the immediate superclass of the student class. Now obviously we can also access the method of its own class. So the method is class type. So according to you, what will be displayed? Because here I am going to access the class type method and this method is present in the teacher class also. So what should be the output? Yes, you are right. Output will be I am subclass of teacher class because the class type method of the teacher class will be overridden by the class type method of the student class. Okay. Now I will run this code and show you the output. So you can see, hi, I am method of person class is coming from when we are calling the learn method. And the value of the name is ABC and the value of designation is teacher is coming from display method of teacher class. And I am subclass of teacher class is coming from the class type method of the which class? Student class. Okay. So this is all about the multi-level inheritance in Java. So I hope this video is clear to everyone. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all the videos. Thank you.